Today we are going to be playing Don't Press the Button 2. So I pretty much played this game, but I've never made a video of it. So let's try this. I'm gonna see how many ones I can take the I died. Oh, I basically already won. Should I just... That was confusing. My daily reward, 90. Not 15 minutes I spend. Jump over the lasers. This is a pretty challenging one, but you can't, like, it's really hard to tell where the lasers are coming from. Oh, someday I'm in a wall, so, well, if it disappears for a while. I'm surprised that this one hasn't really come out as yet. Yeah. Okay. If I no hit this, yeah, I no hit it. No. Why is it always something? Wait, wrong item. What is this? This game, bro. I can't even. Oh, I can just reset. Run! W. Okay, we have to go. You have an item that makes you escape faster. It's a good item. But if you ever do this one, always go down, not up. I don't even know why there's a choice to go down. Yeah, 100 coins. Yeah. You can't jump. Now imagine if the blue one is the right one. Any money mo. Oh man. Got 2,000 and I'm doing that. swim back. If you really wanted to test out what happens if you touch the water, obviously you die. That's what my clone's gonna try out right now. And that happens. I wish we could just like go on that part. If we just yeah, we did it. Huh? Stand still. Yeah. Find the hole in the wall. Yeah. This one, this way. So it was pretty fun doing this. By the way, I have to clear all my storage just to make this video. It's slippery. Oh wait, so that means it's gonna hit that side. So I'm like, no. This way. That's how physics works. I wish I had a carpet, but no. This way. No. It's gonna hit. No. Oh, I have to go on this side. No. Oh, so my Papa just walked in, so I'm gonna go back to fighting I'm gonna go to fight everybody. And I don't know if I went. Oh, the guy right there. Oh, so I'm shooting my way. Short. Yeah. W. Watch out for the snowballs. I just used the potion that made me turn. Wait, I just go on the center. Imagine if a giant one just hit the middle. I'd be cooked. Oh no. I think I was right. So let's find the exit to the maze. I don't think we'll be able to. Exit. Where's the exit? Where's the exit? Where's the exit? Yo. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, yeah! We did it. We're in space. There's the island. I'm gonna try to get there. probably would have got that. Yeah, I get those remaining tiles. Wait, I have a great idea. Clone. Use my clone. Let's see if this works. Oh man, it doesn't. Didn't win, but that's fine. Deliver the pizza. It's okay. So it says 13, 70, 83, 13. Here's your pizza, sir. I guess that I could probably trick people into thinking. Wait a minute. I forgot I had an invisible potion. Yeah. This potion obviously allows me to go invisible. And then if I place the clone to myself, no one's going to know my item. Only like my potion is invisible when I hold it though. I'm actually gonna get this. Let's just see what I can buy. Pay to win in this game, but I use Robux in a lot of other games. I wouldn't want to ruin my favorite game. Imagine if I'm so yo, that my avatar is that short. I can actually. Lock it. Yeah, I did it. If you stay in the middle, how do you not die? Because you're not that close to light. The game confuses me. Anyways. Oh, because it's like a half light. Well. I can buy one spin, but I don't want to. The shrink gun I already have, and then the lightning dash, I have them both, so there's no point of rolling. Oh, so I can just stand right here. In the emote. Boom, 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 boom. Oh no, spikes! Spikes! No. I need to go. Go. So the goal for this is trying to get to my favorite one. Which is the vacation one. That's my favorite. So if we can get to the vacation one, we have successfully completed our challenge. Wait, can I just stand in the middle? Oh, no. I died last attack. No! One. That's cool though. No, that's across the bridge. No. Try to fly up there if you want to. Yeah, dinos! Nice. And in case it didn't exist, this would be my favorite, and it would end. Oh, the pillars. The pillars. But I have another favorite one that we could stop at, but I'm gonna keep that a secret until it appears. Stand clear of fires. So I could just stand right here. Oh wait, they're gonna go. Yeah, I won! We're big. Oh, I didn't get my dino. Oh, man. Okay. My second favorite one is the Halloween one. So if we get to the vacation or Halloween one, that's our stopping point. If you didn't know, you could also stand on this. Go. I might be too big to fit. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Bro, let me fit. I have an idea. Wait, what happens if I just drink this? Does I turn back to my regular? Measuring tape. Measuring tape. Completed. What do you want next? Hammer. Blueprint. Then we already know which one's the last one. Yeah. Some people are not done yet. What's back here? Don't get caught, don't get caught. If I'm being mentally honest, can't you Yeah, you can just jump on the top. To be honest. Having this song, I think, also gives you like a super jump. Gives you like a super jump. It's pretty cool. Out here. Wait a minute. I don't even think people can like. Yeah, I'm gonna see how. I literally can head. I can literally go onto the spaceship like. Think fast. Oh. My family keeps coming in. I think this is actually my favorite one. So after this, we have to end the video. Sadly. I forgot which ones are in here. Well, that's the end of the video. Let's do this one real quick. Let's try to do this one real quick. That's the end of the video. See you on the next one. Bye.